Hydrotrue reverse osmosis water treatment systems from dry steam remove over 98% of dissolved solids from supply water for a wide variety of applications and processes, either as standalone systems or for use with dry steam humidifiers. The systems operate for years with only simple filter and membrane replacement and can significantly reduce or even eliminate maintenance of connected equipment. 200 series systems are compact for small spaces and operate at peak performance using softened water. The extra low-energy membranes and cost-effective replacement parts result in low total cost of ownership. Systems are ready to operate right out of the box with capacities ranging from 288 to 864 gallons of purified water per day. A TDS sensor downstream from the RO membranes allows the controller to send this message to prompt for new RO membranes. The onboard VaporLogic controller delivers comprehensive system management and offers seamless interoperability with multiple building automation systems. No matter the application, there is a reverse osmosis system from dry steam that will meet your need for ultra-pure water.